So why are clinical trials important? Well, clinical trials are used to study different things. So first of all, we like to understand how diseases work and what causes them. So different researchers test different hypotheses to understand disease processes. So we run clinical trials to understand how a disease process works. We also do clinical trials to test new treatments. Those might be drugs, or they might be new therapies like physical therapies or other types of therapies that we do. Before we can actually use those on patients, we need to know whether they're actually going to be safe, tolerable, and whether they're going to be efficacious. So before we can do that, we have to test these treatments in patients. But all of these are done under a carefully controlled situation, and we often have a group of patients that we call a placebo or sort of an untreated group that we test against, and then a treated group that we have. But the ultimate goal eventually is to understand, is there a difference among the two different groups? So in some cases we may have more than one group, but the final thing is to understand what the effects are for a particular drug or treatment trial. Ultimately, this is all just to provide you all with different and new or novel treatments that may help you with your symptoms.